How's it going everyone, Space Life here. In today's episode I'm going to be showing you how to make some really tasty vegan KFC style chicken. And I know it's not actually chicken, but we found some really nice mushrooms that have pretty much a similar texture, and with these tasty breadcrumbs on them, it's going to be hard to tell the difference, to be honest, so let's get into the video. First you want to get your herbs and spices, salt and pepper, out and ready. They're going to be for your breadcrumbs. Then we've got some vegan mayonnaise here, that's going to go in one of the bowls. We have 3 bowls, one has breadcrumbs, one has vegan mayonnaise, and one has seasoned flour. Now add in all of your herbs and spices and the seasoning to the flour. And it's up to you how much you want to put in as well, because some people don't like it too spicy, or you might just love the spice, so it's up to you. You can always add more if you want. We're using these king oyster mushrooms for the chicken replacement. And they do work really well if they're cooked right. They actually do taste a lot like chicken. Just gotta make sure not to overcook them sometimes, because they can dry out. So you can see this vegan mayo has worked perfectly for the egg replacement. Now we're just chopping up some potato for the chips. And we have an air fryer for these, but you can cook them your own way if you don't have an air fryer. So we just add a little bit of smoked paprika. I always love this on my chips. Also gives them a nice colour. And some sea salt. So we've got our sweet corn from the garden. Some of you might have seen that video. Yeah, get that cooking away. It's all about doing this in little steps. So we're going to have barbecue beans as well. Mixed up nicely, sweet corn's ready. Get the beans in the microwave as well, get them warmed through, and then it's time to cook your mushrooms or baked chicken. It's a good test, just put a little bit of breadcrumbs in the oil just to see if it's ready. And yeah, time to fry these little things. You just want these to go nice and golden brown. You don't want to overdo them, like I said. Yeah, once they're ready, this is a really tasty meal. And it's all vegan. So if you like this vegan recipe, let me know down in the comments. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.